Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an avocado hair mask on Hayden's hair, and it's just a good treatment to add protein in the hair, and it's a good hair mask for adults and kids. So if you want to see how it turns out, keep watching. Now it's time to apply it to her hair. You can apply to the hair dry or wet. I just chose to do it dry because her hair was recently shampooed and I didn't want to wash it again because Hayden was not having that. But it's your preference. You can apply dry or wet. Now you saturate the hair from root to tip, making sure that you cover the entire head with the hair mask. That's what I'm doing. In the meantime, while you're applying it, detangle it at the same time. We're now using the kaleidoscope brush to detangle from root to tip. So you just want to do it gently. I mean, I look like I'm doing it rough in this video, but I promise you I was being gentle. You just start from the tip and you comb up to the roots, making sure that the product is completely saturated onto the hair. Now when you're finished applying the hair, you can put a plastic cap over the hair to keep it secure. And you can put her underneath the dryer or just let her sit with it. I chose to just let her sit with it for an hour. And when you're done, just wash it out and detangle the hair and style as you wish.